Yo, what's up everyone, it's Mervin here and we're about to dive into the future of apartment living. Looking to upgrade your space and make it smarter than ever before? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I've got a lineup of 10 game-changing smart gadgets that'll transform your apartment into a tech haven. We're talking about everything from seamless security solutions to futuristic cleaning companions, and even some things you might not believe are possible until you see them in action. So, hit that subscribe button, buckle up, and let me know which product you like. Let's get right into it. First up, a must-have for any modern apartment, a smart lock. I'm talking about the Wi-Fi smart lock, insert product name here. It's sleek, secure, and changes how you think about your front door. Kiss those "did I forget to lock the door" moments goodbye. Automatic locking and unlocking, perfect for any situation. Control it all from your phone, even give guest access. Cleaning windows is nobody's favorite chore, right? It's time-consuming and hard to get streak-free results. Meet the future of window cleaning with Robot Window Cleaner. Insert product name here. This little guy is a game changer. It uses intelligent path planning to hit every corner. With powerful suction, it delivers a spotless shine. Simply attach it to your window and let it do the work. It effortlessly navigates edges and even reaches high windows. More time to relax and enjoy crystal clear views. Now, if you're working from home, you know how important it is to have a comfortable and ergonomic workspace. And let's be honest, sitting all day can take its toll. That's where the smart standing desk, insert product name here, comes in. With the touch of a button, you can adjust the height of this desk to find that perfect sitting or standing position. The smart standing desk, insert product name here, remembers your preferred heights, so switching between sitting and standing is effortless. And to top it all off, it's made with sustainable and eco-friendly materials, so you can feel good about your workspace and good about your impact on the planet. Let's talk about setting the vibe in your apartment. I'm talking about lighting. It's amazing how the right lighting can transform the entire feel of your space. And that's where these smart light bulbs, insert product name here, come into play. We're talking millions of color options, adjustable brightness, and the ability to create custom lighting scenes for any occasion. Movie night, easy. Relaxing evening in, done. Productive work session, you got it. And the best part, you can control it all with your voice. These smart bulbs integrate seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can dim the lights, change colors, or even set schedules with just your voice commands. Alright, let's head into the kitchen for this next one because we're about to get futuristic. I'm talking about a smart refrigerator. Insert product name here. Now this isn't just about keeping your food cold, this is about a refrigerator that's connected, intelligent, and honestly pretty mind-blowing. It comes with a built-in touchscreen display where you can manage your grocery lists, view recipes, even watch videos, all while you're waiting for that pot of water to boil. This smart refrigerator has Alexa built in. That means you can control all your compatible smart devices, play music, get news updates, and so much more, all without leaving the kitchen. Okay, let's be real, nobody really enjoys cleaning, right? Meet the ultimate cleaning tag team, a robot vacuum and mop combo, insert product name here. With 7,000 PA suction power, it picks up everything. The mop function handles sticky messes effortlessly. It maps, avoids obstacles, and empties its own dustbin. Enjoy a spotless apartment without lifting a finger. You know those moments when you're cozy on the couch, ready to relax, and then you realize you left the lamp on in the other room? Yeah, we've all been there. But guess what? Those days are over with these smart plugs. These tiny but mighty devices turn any ordinary appliance into a smart one. Now you can turn devices on and off, set schedules, and even monitor energy usage, all from your phone or with voice commands. Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee, all thanks to your voice assistant and a well-placed smart plug. Want to bring a touch of nature into your apartment but don't exactly have a green thumb? I feel you. But don't worry, you can still enjoy the beauty of plants without the stress of keeping them alive. Let me introduce you to the Smart Plant Pot. Insert product name here. This pot is packed with sensors that monitor everything your plants need to thrive. Soil moisture, light levels, even temperature. And here's the best part, the Smart Plant Pot will actually tell you when your plants need attention. It's plant parenting made easy, and it's the perfect way to add a touch of life and freshness to your apartment. We all know that feeling of stepping into a fresh, clean apartment. It just feels good, right? That's where this smart air purifier, insert product name here, comes in. Equipped with a HEPA filter, it captures dust mites, pollen, and pet dander. Control it from your phone and monitor air quality in real time. Alright, we've arrived at our final smart gadget, and it's one that's all about adding a touch of luxury and convenience to your daily routine. I'm talking about the smart curtain opener. Insert product name here. Imagine this. Your alarm goes off, but instead of that jarring sound, you're gently woken up by the natural light streaming in through your windows as your curtains automatically open. You can control your curtains with your phone or through voice commands, set schedules for them to open and close throughout the day, even create custom scenes to match your mood or the occasion. It's a small change that makes a big difference, and it's the perfect way to complete your smart apartment transformation. And there you have it. 10 amazing smart gadgets that will take your apartment from ordinary to extraordinary. Remember, these gadgets are all about making your life easier, more comfortable, and a whole lot more fun. Be sure to check out the links to all the products down in the description below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. See you in the next one.